My question, Prof, is this. In all your efforts to integrate cultural forms from here into times as part of the regalia, even in the church, have you at any point been accosted with what you were doing as regards accusations of, say, syncretism or otherwise? Has there been any confrontation from the church, and how was it resolved?
As far as I know, so far in my own community, I can answer. And even in Okigwe diocese, any priest from around this world, or let it be an occasion where you wear a white, what do you call it now? Chasuble. You can now put that, you still can go with it. You can go with that around this world. It's already domesticated in our Okigwe diocese. And beyond, Olo and the rest. They also go with that outfit for masses. At least that one is the one.
And that has gone without any challenge?
No challenge. No challenge so far. None.